One time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your
Let's restart this shit. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the FX220 YouTube channel. This is your boy Oussama, expert Forex trader and mentor. And I shouldn't say your boy, this sounds pretty unprofessional, but you know what I mean. Come on, it's holiday season, so we can take it easy sometimes. So in this video, we're going to analyze the trade that I took yesterday on pound AUD. It was a very pitfall trade, as you can see. The move was pitfall, but as always, I stick to my take profit and everything. I was making an Instagram post about this trade, so don't mind these things, but they're really important. So today, I know I hate math, okay? So that's why I dropped out of college. But today we're gonna study math. So our math is very, very simple, very basic. Okay, so we have a consolidation range of Asian session. We're gonna wait for that break of the consolidation range, and it's gonna be a false move, obviously. This break, we're not gonna go short. We're gonna wait for our pattern. So break plus W equals money, okay? That's your homework. You're gonna go over your chart and you're gonna study this. Look for the break of the Asian consolidation range and then look for the pattern, and you'll always see it. And then how you're gonna trade this is very simple. I've explained this many times before and long ago on my YouTube channel. This is the easiest setup anybody can trade. Look what's gonna happen. It's gonna be like news releases and everything. They will create false moves, which is the break out of the Asian consolidation. Then market is gonna create like a W, a triple bottom, or let's say head and shoulders, or an M formation if we are on a downtrend, and then you will see one candle getting the hell out of this all region. So you see this false move, boom, one big candle showing us the directional move and getting the hell out of this mess. And that's where you get in. That's always happened. It's always been like that. This is how market makers work. They will make you believe, okay, we're going short, boom, they bring you back up again. I mean, traders go long, so the market makers take the markets even down, and then a lot of traders get confused. Okay, we're coming down again, so let's go short, and then boom, they take the market up again for the real direction, and this is where you come in. You get in, you bank your pips, and you get out. Of course, this is not like a new strategy, or it's our strategy, but I'm just pointing out to you the things that you should focus on from now on. I mean, I've seen this setup a million times, and I keep seeing it every day, and it's such a waste if you cannot master it and then be able to trade it and benefit from it and make from it significant returns in monetary value that's going to impact your life, okay? Whether if it's an extra $100 for you or an extra 1,000 or 2,000, whatever, it's going to make an impact on your life, and it's going to help you get your freedom. All right, so a lot of people do a lot of hard jobs and things to get paid like a very modest amount of money, but you can do this from the comfort of your home and everything, and make significant returns compared to the work you're providing. And then you can get even more professional and make this even more killer returns, okay? So, and this is what I'm teaching you guys. So this trade was very simple, as all our trades are very simple, and it went straight to profit. As you can see in the video, I've edited my take a profit in the middle of the trade. In the middle of the trade, I've brought my take profit a bit down, so because I've done like an analysis and I've retested this trend line again and draw it on like the correct way, and I found out that okay, it's gonna hit our price, so let's take the profits before or exactly at when it hits the trend line. And this is exactly what happens. So we don't want to be in a big drawdown. We want the straight move. Notice here, the very straight move. It was a 42 pip move. You want this move. You don't want to be in around these candles and everything. So that's why I've edited it. So the stop loss, I've traded it and passed break even after this big candle. So it's a risk-free trade, and I basically left it run until it hit the take profit. So this move was like, from our entry, man, it was like a zero drawdown entry straight to 140 pip move. That was crazy. I mean, to be honest, to some extent, I cannot like predict exactly that this market, okay, I would tell you, okay, it's going to be 200 pip move. I cannot do that, but you see what happens. Boom, 250 pip move straight from an entry on the 15-minute time frame. I mean, we're like snipers. We get the best, most accurate entry, risk-free entries that's gonna run forever. So you're basically, if you're a swing trader and you want to get into swing trading, this is the best way to do it. I mean, do not be trading off of the 4-hour chart or 1-day chart and handle like crazy drawdowns of 80 pips minus 120 pips. You don't do that. That's how swing trading should be done. You get at the most accurate entry and then you hold it and you trade your stop, and it's a risk-free trade. Basically, that's how I would have done it if I was a swing trader, but too bad I'm not that patient to hold for 2 sessions. I used to do it, man, but I like to get in and out, okay? So we've got lives to live. I don't want to hold the trade like for 2 sessions. And I'm also sleeping during Asian session, that's why. So for the people that are very patient and they have like more of an investor type of mindset and everything, dude, this is your opportunity to make your millions of dollars out of this, because basically if you keep having these very accurate entries and hold them for plus 150 pips and plus 200 pips, I mean, you're gonna make a lot of money. They will call you like the best trader of all times. This is why, guys, I encourage you to take this seriously, because I mean, you can do the math on how much you can make on a 200 pip move, okay? Especially a risk-free 200 pip move, like where you literally hold your trade for 1, 2, 3, it's like 3 candles, and then boom, it becomes a risk-free trade, and then you let it run for whatever and make infinite amount of money. I mean, where can you find that? Okay, but I like the style of being in and out, dropping like very big lots on this single move, and then boom, you basically can make like a lot of money basically on this move alone without being to hold all the way up here. But if you want to hold, you can go for even more money. So I don't know what's wrong with me this morning. I'm laughing a lot and everything, but this video is not like going to be 100% serious all the time. I mean, we've got to make some kind of these videos every once in a while, but you get what I mean. So basically, I was working out during this trade. I mean, straight after I entered, I started my workout. So being efficient. I like to be efficient. That's why I cannot like sit on the screen and watch it for an hour. An hour is a killer workout for me. I have like a small home gym in my home where I can kill a workout almost every day. I was like a kind of a fitness addict. But during the past few weeks and months, I've started to take more rest days. I'm finding it harder, okay, especially when you have a home gym. So I'm getting back. I've been going hard. I mean, the past few days on working out because I'm simply an addict and I cannot stop working out. It's almost every day. So I've had my workout and then I watched the trade until it hit take profit. I mean, closed it. It closed automatically. So I went on, took a shower and then prepared some food and everything. And it's been a lovely day. That's what you want to do. I mean, you don't have to watch the screens all day long and everything. Once you make the decision, once you learn to get these decisions accurate, you just have to watch the trade every now and then, or you can let it run. Sometimes I do a lot of stuff. I just let the trade run and go. And other times I watch the trade. If it's like a stressful trade and we have like a news release coming, I watch it. I sit down and watch it. So you can find your balance around that. All right. So that's it, guys, for today. I hope you really liked this video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share it, and do whatever you want with it. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, everything. So until next time, good luck and Merry Christmas for everyone. Bye-bye.